Most people fail at English fluency because they don't have a game plan. Fluency isn't about luck, it's all about strategy. And today, I'm going to give you a super simple 3-2-1 framework that will help you speak clear and fast every single time. But before that, here's a simple tip. Just understanding and learning this framework is not gonna help. To really make this work, you have to practice with real people. That's what I did. And for that, you can download the Ingvarta app. On the Ingvarta app, you can practice with live English experts. And trust me, nothing makes fluency better than daily practice. So, download the app today. And now let's talk about the 3-2-1 framework. Now, first things first, what's the actual problem? See, here's a thing. Whenever we talk in our native language, our brain naturally has a fallback. It naturally knows what to speak, what's the context, what's the comprehension, and so on. But in English, nothing like that happens. Whenever someone throws a question to you, you do not get the time to, translate, to think, to organize, and then speak. You cannot do all of this at once. And then the problem comes. You either start to ramble or your brain goes absolutely blank and you are left embarrassed. And then you are thinking, am I not confident enough? Well, that's not true at all. Believe me, confidence comes with a structure. So now let's talk about the solution. I am going to give you a magical little thing called the 3-2-1 framework. Trust me, all those TED Talk speakers, content creators, even CEOs use this framework to sound fast and clear. And now you can do that too. Here's how it works: 3 steps, 2 types, 1 thing. And that's it. So now, whenever someone asks you a question, a topic, or you randomly get stuck, you can use any one of these 3 options. Number 1, 3 steps to do something. Number 2, 2 types of something. And number 3, 1 thing about it. See, it gives your brain a passage to run in. It stops you from wandering or getting stuck in the traffic of words. And now let's test it out. Let's look at an example. Okay, so the topic for this would be avocados. Pretty random? Okay, so we will follow the 3-2-1 framework. 3 steps to make an avocado toast. Step 1, you cut it and smash it. Step 2, you put it on the toast. And step 3, you put some lime and some salt in it. And voila, now you know the exact recipe of avocado toast. Number 2, it would be 2 types in which we can eat avocado. Okay, first you smash it and eat it, and second would be you eat it raw, just with a spoon. One thing about avocados. Well, avocados are good for diet. See, wasn't that easy? Simple, plain sentences without any panic. You sounded fluent without any pressure because now your brain knows what is the game plan, what is the structure. Okay? Now the question arises, why does this actually work? See, here's a very simple psychology behind it. Whenever you are in an unprepared situation, any unprepared situation, your brain goes into 2 modes: fight or flight. And the same happens here as well. Either you freeze or you talk too much. You try to fill the awkward gap that is present there. But when you have a framework, even a simple framework just like this, you feel more confident. You are able to conversate more confidently. And the best part, you start speaking in clear and fluent English with a beginning, middle, and end. And finally, it's time for practice. Pick any random topic in your head and start speaking about it out loud. Just remember these things: 3 steps, 2 types, 1 thing. So, what are you waiting for? Pick out any topic and start speaking. Don't overthink about it. Because remember, the goal is to train your brain to organize your thoughts. Okay? All the best. And that was it. That was for the entire framework. Now, what are the topics you are going to start your practice with? Do let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you want to practice with real people on a daily basis, then you can download the Ingvarta app. On the Ingvarta app, you get to practice with live English experts on a daily basis. These experts will help you with your overall fluency. Also, if you like the video, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more such amazing content. I will see you super soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy learning.